Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Side Farm Namulonga. I'm Antonia, the German intern, the intern from Germany. That's Carla. And I'm doing a 3-month internship here in Uganda at Side Farm. Yes, I'm 21 years old, studying agriculture in Germany at the University Weinsteffen Triesdorf. The internship is organized by the Schollemer Stiftung and Unyfa. It's my first time in Africa, more specifically in Uganda, and it's very nice here. I love it. My tasks here, first thing, the Side Farm is a dairy farm owned by Mr. Henry Side and his family. The farm is located in Namulonga. It's in the central region of Uganda. My tasks here at farm are taking care for the calves and what else? Taking care for the calves, the sheep and the cows who are about to calve. Then I'm also helping with the milking and everything that needs to be done. So I helped with planting the maize and napia because we have here different pastures of everything for cow feeds. Then I helped mixing the feeds, worked at the farm office, sold some things to the customers, and what else? Helped with the cow management. Okay, so we have here our cows. We have eight. And every morning I start at 7 and start cleaning their box. Then I give them every day fresh water, so they have all day the opportunity to get fresh water. Then I add food for them, so they have all the nutritions they need. Then they get a little bit of concentrate in the morning. So the calves get a mixture of silage and hay. Hay is Chloris Ghana. Then they get super napier. That one is a fresh part, and I don't know. Okay, we are here at the dairy unit where you can see our cows. We have included with the heifers around 50 cows. Yes, they are divided in 4 boxes. Here we have the milking cows and the pregnant ones who are about to calve. Then we have the dry ones and the heifers and the smaller ones. Of the task is to push the feeds near to the cows so they get all the food and we don't waste that much. Now we are in the cow barn. As you can see, it's divided in 2 parts. The walking area where they can get the food, and most likely they shit there, and the resting area. As you can see, the beddings are rice husks. They yesterday they got some new ones and they last half a year. Yes. What else? The resting area it's a 2.5 feet ditch. Yeah, and as you can see, the roof has some transparent elements in it, so they have the sunshine and the light so it's not that, or not too dark here. Yes, and yes, so as you can see, she doesn't like me. No, it's Gabba. That's Gabba. It was the first cow when I was here who calved. So her calf is named Cash. I gave her the name. Yes. Here we are in our demonstration garden. As you can see, we have here lots of different pastures. We feed the cows. There's Bracharia, sugar grass, some over there. We also have Weidelgras. That's a typical German grass. But the funny thing, it's not growing here. Yes. So, and here we have alfalfa. But he's not filming me right now, so here we have alfalfa. Yeah, I'm cutting that for the sheeps, and they're very happy about that when they get fresh alfalfa. We cut alfalfa because it has high content of protein, and it's very tasty. Yes. Plantation, as you can see, and we do irrigation for the trees. One thing I learned in here, it's because in Germany we only have the sweet bananas, and this one is Matoke. Yeah, and I can even is it decide? Not decide if it's Matoke or sweet bananas. The banana trees are in different stages. This one is not ready yet, and yeah. And I forgot this one is ready for harvesting. Yes.